Hello, it's Ashley here for Not Too Shabby. I'm going to be sharing with you my design team project for this week. I will put the links below for all of the products that I share, and also if you head over to the shop, you can use my coupon code CraftyGirl to save 10% on your purchase. So this is my design team project for this week. I made these sweet little treat bags. I think they're so cute. They're like kind of birthday themed, but they also look very spring-like, so I thought they were perfect for this time of year. I'll show all of them to you up close, and then I'll show you the products I used and get right into the process video. So here's the cute little yellow one I made, and I love that little star balloon. This one is kind of like the pink one with that little heart balloon. I also made a little blue one, and I love how there's a little boy image on this stamp set. And then also a really sweet little green one. I love this little cutie. She's so adorable. So I'll share with you the products that I used to make this. First of all, I used this stamp set from the GreetingFarm. It's called Mega Mini Lift Off, and it is such a cute stamp set. I love that you get the 3 little girl images, and then you also get a little boy image. You get a lot of really cute sentiments on here. You get 3 balloons, you get a star, a regular balloon, and a heart. You get 1 bow, and then there's 2 little strings. There's like a little curly one and also a long string, so those are really cute, so you can change what type of balloon images you want to have. I used this Lawn Fawn Fancy Scallop Circle Stackable die, and I used the second largest one there for that outside circle. Then I also used this Lawn Fawn Small Cross Stitch Circle Stackables, and I used the 4th size in there, so it would be the second largest from the small stackables. And then I used this Lawn Fawn Goodie bag. This is an older die, but I had it in my stash and I love it so much, so I wanted to pull it out. I thought it was really nice because it's kind of like longer going up ways, so it works for like the balloon to be going up. I thought that it would be really cute. I also used some Doodlebug paper from my stash. The bigger pieces of the boxes are just from a older collection, and then those cute clouds are from the new Spring Things collection. I used this Doodlebug Spring Assortment twine. And then I used my Spectrum Noir glitter pen to add some sparkle on the balloons and the outfits of the little people that are on there. So I'm going to get started with the process. First of all, I am just cutting out using my Doodlebug paper 2 of these dies for each color. You need 2 to make the little goodie bag. So for each color, I'm cutting out 2. And if you take a 6x12 paper, you'll be able to fit 2 of these on that specific paper. So you should be able to, with one 12x12 sheet, be able to cut out 4 to give you 2 boxes. Then I'm taking that scalloped die and I'm cutting out 4 little dies with that on white cardstock. And then using the cross stitch, I just cut out 4 of that cute little clouds. Now I'm just stamping out all of the images. I'm using Lawn Fawn Jet Black ink, and I'm just stamping out all of the balloons, the little people, strings, and the bows. So to start out with that little outfit, I'm using Y38, Y35, and Y32, and I'm also going to do a matching balloon. Then for the green, I'm using YG06, YG03, and YG00, and I use that also on the little boy's outfit and also that little girl's outfit and shoes. Then for the blues, I'm using B05, B02, and B00, and I'm using that for the balloon and for the little boy's outfit there. And I'm just making the darker part of the shading on the left side of the balloons and making the lighter on the other side. So for this combo, I'm using RV14, 13, and 11. Then I'm using those same colors just for the little bows. And I did speed this video up quite a bit. It was at 20 minutes when I had sped it up ×3. So I went back and sped it up again. So it is quite quick, but I hope that you guys will still enjoy it. So for this cute little girl here, I'm using the skin colors E18, 15, 13, and 11. For this one, I'm using E15, 11, and 13. And for this one, I'm just using E11 and E00. And then this one again, E11 and 00. For her hair, I'm using E53 and then using E55 to put some flicks in it. And I go back in with Y32 to put a little bit of yellow. This one I used E13, E15 for the flicks, and E18 to darken it up. Then for this one here, I'm using E57, E59, then I go in with E29, and then I take black and go in with that. And if you guys want to see this a little bit more slow, I can have another video up for you guys where I go much slower to do these little coloring bits, and if you're interested in seeing that in a slowed down version, I will have that on my channel for you guys to see. So now I am just fussy cutting all of these out. It was quite tricky to cut out those little strings, but the rest weren't too bad. And there is coordinating dies for this, so I will link those below as well as the stamp set. And I'm just using my sewing scissors to cut these out. They are nice and sharp. So I'm taking all of the pieces and putting them together. I'm using my ATG gun to adhere those on. And I'm just layering up these little cuties on that little scallop circle. I just love how these turned out so much. They're so cheerful and I just love, love, love them. So I'm just layering up all of the little pieces here. And I kept the balloons kind of color coordinated with the little cuties outfits as well. And then I'm just taking these lawn fawn treat boxes and folding them on the little creases that come creased on them and putting them together with my ATG gun. And the nice thing about these is that when you put them together, if you use a double-sided paper, when you peek in the box, you'll be able to see the paper inside of them. And it just looks so sweet having that little bit of polka dot or I guess monkeys showing. It's really cute. So now I'm just putting these onto the front of each of the boxes and again matching the little color combo that I was kind of going with for each one. I took my Spectrum Noir pen and just added a little bit of sparkle on the balloons and also on their clothes. Then I took that doodlebug twine and I doubled it up and made a little bow using the same color coordinated colors. And that is my project for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Again, if you want to see a slowed down version of the coloring of the stamp set, I will have that available as well. And I will put all the links below for the products that I shared, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.